Bonjour à tous! Welcome everyone! If you've ever dreamed of speaking French, you know those vowel sounds can be tricky. Today, we're going to demystify them, break them down, and get you sounding more French in no time. My name is Elodie, and I am here to help you learn French, so let's dive in. So here is the thing. English has a lot of vowel sounds, but French has a different set, and some do not exist in English. Some sounds are more challenging than others. It's about finding the subtle differences and training your ear and your mouth. We can put the vowel sounds in three different categories: 10 oral vowel sounds, 3 nasal vowel sounds, and 3 semi-vowel sounds. Now, let's break them down one by one. First, oral vowel A. So you open your mouth wide, like the English word cat. A. A. Ami. Chat. Oral vowel I, as in the English word see. I. I. Ici, stylo. Oral vowel U. U. To make this sound, you need to purse your lips. The lips are pursed and forward, like if you're trying to blow a candle. U. U. Tu. Me. Nu. Oral vowel U. Same as in the English word cool. Ou. Vous. Poule. There are two sounds for the O. It can be a closed O, O, fermé, or open O, O. Oral vowel O, closed O. So your lips are pursed and forward, as when you're trying to blow a candle, and my tongue is backward. O, O. Mot, rose. Oral vowel O, open O, O, as in the English word all. Homme, or. There are two sounds. The closed e, and the open e. Oral vowel e. Your lips are pursed as if you're blowing the candle. Je. Europe. Oral vowel open seul, peur. Oral vowel this is the closed your lips are wide but closed. Like bébé, canapé. Oral vowel open like in the English word bear. est, est. Mère, 16. Now let's look at the nasal vowels. The first one is on. On. You can hear this, the sound is going on through the nose. On. Like in maman, argent. Nasal vowel sound on. 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 Like in bonbon, oncle. And the last one, un. Un. Like a joker smile, lips are stretched. Un. Un. Malin, lundi. And lastly, let's talk about the semi-vowel sounds in French. So the semi-vowels cannot be used alone. You will always find a semi-vowel with a vowel together. So the first one is y, the sound y. Very similar to the sound you found in the English word yes. Famille, y. Second semi-vowel is w. W. Really similar to the English sound w in like in water. Water. Donc, oui, loin. And the last semi-vowel sound is oui, oui. So this one is a little fun. So you have your lips round tightly as if to say u, u, but then pronounce the e. Oui, oui. So it's kind of two sounds in one. Oui, oui. Like in huit, pluie. And of course, we have the tricky silent E, the E muet. This E at the end of many words or in the middle is often not pronounced, but it can affect the pronunciation of the consonants around it. Let's see, like in petit, petit, you can also say petit, petit. Médecin, médecin. So the first E is pronounced because of the accent, but the second one in the middle is silent. Médecin. So it's actually two syllables. We will explore this deeper in later videos, but don't feel discouraged. It was a lot of information. It takes time to master these sounds, but the key is consistent practice. Let me know in the comments which vowel sounds you find the most challenging. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more French pronunciation tips and lessons. À bientôt!